Good morning everyone, my name is Caitlin from grade 4B. Today I am talking about preparing for exam. Preparing for exam means we should help others and we should also learn. If we know things, means we can share it with others. When we learn, we should also help things, and it's like math, science. Math we have subtraction, addition, division and many other things. Science we have so many other things. Thank you.
I am Mitesh from 7B. So I'll show you a tip. 369. To study first you should study a topic, revise it, and third day you should give a test. Or else read a topic, what you understand you should write it in a paper. If you did not understand, read it again. Or else read the topic, frame your questions and answer it. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Maheshri from grade 8. Today I am going to talk about preparation for exams. Preparation means not only revising classwork and reading textbook. We have to read textbook. Textbook is so important. Classwork is only for reference to revise, not for reading only classwork. Thank you.
She has given me a beautiful point to always remind. Textbook reading is very much important. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vinay King. I am from grade 6B. Preparation of exam not to means just study. If we study for a long time and our mind is getting tired and we are studying only, so we will forget everything. We should play half time and half time study. We should study but less playing and little more study. If we study only, our mind will tired and we have to make a aim that in that time we have to learn this subject. If we make aim, we can learn most fast. Thank you.
Very good. She is very smart. Continuously studying is also not good. Somewhere you have to take a break, and there is a time for playing. You can have some play for a couple of minutes. So with that, the productivity of your entire revision exercise is going to be very high.
My name is Abel. I am from 6th grade and I study the TB and the textbook and the classwork and combined them and then try to make a question paper by myself and then write the answers, and if I got something wrong I will again study, and this is how I practice the exam.
The best quality from this is preparing a question paper by himself. That's very nice.
Good morning everyone, my name is Magini. I am from 3B. I will not waste my time. I will read for a long time and I will write for myself. I will write and practice. Thank you.